Carowinds becomes Scarowinds, a celebration of all that is spooky and ghoulish delight. But the real magic of celebration arrives at the end of the year during Winterfest, when the park is blanketed in the warmth and the soul of the holiday season. With the Carowinds journey half a century old, the original promise of fun, memories, and bringing the Carolinas together has been upheld. And as we approach the next 50 years and beyond, Carowinds will be here for all of us, because Carowinds is you. Your laughter, your excitement, your sense of adventure, and your heart. Together, that is Carowinds.